Hello everyone, welcome back to Techopolis. So previously we managed to get this power, this behemoth right here, making us quite a bit of power. Although saying that, I think all of these are throttling themselves right now because there's nothing to actually power except this stuff over here. Seems to be working fine though. Saying that, I don't know if this is going to keep up. Might need to put a stack upgrade in this. Oh, already have one. Planned ahead right here. There you go, so that's probably sending quite a bit of cobble. It's not getting to this one though. Oh, it's getting to this one at least. Oh, look at that. There you go. So it's going to do a stack at a time. It's moving all of those into here. Saying that, I'm not exactly sure we've got enough cobble. No, we don't. So it's going to be whatever comes out of this bad boy right here. We can make a component for this as well to make it go a little quicker. So we'll get that started. Anyway, plan for this episode is to... I was going to get into power, but then I realised we need to probably set stuff up for power itself. So we need to make... Yeah, we need to start zinc working. We need to get this working as well, which comes from this stuff, which comes from the Urinary Extractor. So we are actually going to need to make a Urinary Extractor first, which is that. And I think I've already told it to make one of these. Let's have a look up here. Yeah, there you go. It's gone off to make the Elite Technium. So that's it's all scheduled. This is processing, which means all of these probably are kicked on. They are indeed. Beautiful. So, oh, I had a really good comment actually from somebody saying use the mechanism stuff rather than, you know, the redstone furnace and the pulverizer. You can use the what they call the Enrichment Chamber and the smelter. And very good idea. I probably should do that. But all of this infrastructure is already set up. Any new infrastructure, for example, this one and this one, they are being voided now. That's fine. We'll come back to that. But yeah, those two there, I'm going to set up using mechanism machines. So that is a enrichment chamber. Because I believe the enrichment chamber... Oh, you could do it that way as well. Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, there you go. So for like copper, it will make the copper dust, so on and so on. So it will make this one here, uranite. Oh, sorry, the uranium ore will turn into uranium dust. Is it the ore that needs to go in this? Oh, it is the clusters. I might have to set them up next to each other then. I could do that. That'd be fine. Right, anyway, so we can set those two up. So I'm going to make probably a recipe for Enrichment Chamber. Enrichment. Yeah, that looks decent. Looks easy enough to make. Stick you in there. And now I can tell you to make 2 enrichment chambers, because we only need 2 for now, at least. One for... That was quick. Oh, you know why that happened? It's because I was making this thing, and I already made one of those. Oh, maybe I made a bunch. Steel... Oh, I made a few, yeah. Sweet, right. Hopefully this will be done soon. Are you cooking something else up? Oh, you are, yeah. That'll be why. Now you're going to do the crystalline dust? Yeah, there we go. Nice. Does that mean this is now... Ooh, okay. So that's doing the tier 1. I'm guessing it needs to go and do the tier 2, which will be in this one. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, it's because of this one here. Yeah, there we go. Enrichment Chamber. There it is. What was the other bit? So we need an Enrichment Chamber and a smelter. Smelter. One of these. Again, that seems like a recipe I can't be asked to do, so I'm going to do that. I'm completely out of recipe slots, which is fine, because I've got recipe slots like over here. Set that off. Hopefully it doesn't interrupt this one again. Or it might do, you know. It is. Ah, brilliant. Okay, well, we'll let that process and be back in a sec. Right, there you go. It's been a day. A full, like, IRL day. And that's just because I had a lot on. So, anyway, we've made a Urinary Extractor. I don't know where I'm putting this either. I'm just going to have to plop it down somewhere, I suppose. I'm thinking... Ooh. Ah, brilliant. I just realised this is probably going to need a smelter itself, right? Because this thing, yeah, produces the uranite. Okay, let's do a smelter. One of these. There you go. That'll go off and do stuff. Whilst that does that, let's just stick stuff down for now. This one, we can have a... exporter, another exporter, and why not another exporter? We can just put more here. Oh, good. I made a bunch of exporters. I completely forgot what I'd done between episodes, so one here, and one here. Oh, that's going to be a bit of a bodge. Cable. Let's just chuck a cable on that and forget about it. There. I'll also rotate all of these so they're pointing up. There we go. And then I can just stick this one on here. And I do the same with these two, I suppose. So it goes Enrichment Chamber, then Energize Smelter. All of these are getting powered, by the way, because of we've got our flux network powering us. This thing here, because we set up wireless charging. So I thought it was quite funny. So we stick that one and stick that one, and now we just need importers. Or I was going to say we could put a right here is where we could put. Because these do auto output, so we can put a interface right there, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use importers, because I think importers are cheaper when it comes to power. Fluid is 2 FE. Oh, maybe not then. 6, although that is a fluid one. Don't know if we've got any other interfaces. We do not. Oh, we actually made in this series at least, we made the interface pattern. That's probably why I haven't made it in my other series if you've been watching along with that one. Because I'm like, oh, I've already got it in this one, or I made it in this one and thought I did it in the other one. But yeah, this is going to go ahead and make us one of these. And whilst that's happening, we did make another smelter. So we stick that on top as well. We can also upgrade all of these, and I probably will do that. And poo. How are we gonna? I'm gonna put the importers on top. That's gonna look really, really rough. But you know what we can do as well? we could just upgrade these to the best they can be, although we haven't got any atomic alloys, so blue will do for now. So we could do that. One of these on the bottom. Disable limit? Yeah, that'll do us. There you go. So that is now, all of these are powered. I am just quickly going to put in one of those. One of those. And then what is this last one? I always forget. Zinc? With the C. Yeah, sod it, that'll do. So, fingers crossed. You're not going to pull from the bottom, are you? Ah, I have an idea though. No, that's pulverizers. Ooh, I have a really good idea. Yes. Okay. Right. So what we're going to do is first, we're going to make the upgrades. So, upgrade. It's going to make 8 of these. 8 of these. We're going to make 4 of these, and we are going to make the installers for this as well. So the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to replace this one here, because this one can pull from the bottom. So we'll get this one and put it over you know, over here, and then it will automatically pull from the bottom. So that would be good. And I completely, yeah, and we're going to put this energized smelter, and we're going to replace it over here, and we'll use a flux point for that as well. So, what have you got in here? Okay, well, we can take these out, and we can take, actually, we probably need those in for now, don't we? Yeah, because it's going to make a bunch of stuff. Oh, no, we don't. No, we don't. Right. Let's grab that. Get ourselves a nice new exporter for ourselves. Stick that there. Stick that on. Is that seriously making... It's not taking 600, it's just outputting until this is full. There you go. Beautiful. What are you making that's like taking so long? Oh, blimey. Yeah, I forgot about this. This needs... Oh. Okay, that might take a while. Hopefully this one finishes first, though. Should do. Why has it got all of these? Like, this keeps getting itself stuck. Okay, let's try... Oh, it already made one. That's very strange. Okay, so we can do one of those. And then grab the upgrades. This was actually a comment from... Oh, I'll have to go find the person's name. But it was a comment from someone saying, why don't you just, you know, instead of using thermal like you've been doing everywhere, why don't you use Mekanism? Because the upfront cost is a bit worse. Like, obviously it takes more to make one of these than it does to make one of those, but it's worth it in the long run because... Oh, that's a point. Stick that on. Yeah, because you can... Is this input in the bottom? That is an importer. Okay. Yeah, just because you can do things quicker using Mekanism. So I'm going to pick that up. Hopefully when this is finished. Oh. Well, the good news is this should finish first out of all of the machines that we've got. And then, yeah, I can nav it really quick. I think it's done now. So now I can just go mine. And now, with this one, all I need to do is set the sides up. So, back is... yeah, there we go. Back is input. Or is that output? What did I set that to? Output. Okay, you should be input, and then down is output. Perfect. There you go, and that's on again. And... yeah, we're still waiting on that installer. So when this finishes, then we can put that there as well. So, do we have importers? Apparently not. So let's grab 3 of those. In fact, I might make, I don't know, 10. Let's get some extra ones. That might take a while again because, yeah, oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Let's have a look over here, see what this is doing. Look at that. It's doing multiple at once. Oh, amazing. Hopefully we can get at least one. But anyway, I can stick this over here. And with this, we can do input and then output on the top. There we go. That's just going to make us a bunch of uranite. And can you compact uranite? Uranite. Is that a block of it? It is. Okay, let's get a compacting drawer then. I'm actually going to make the recipe for a drawer, because we might as well. And in fact, where's the compacting drawer? There it is. Let's just stick, yeah, there we go, stick those in there for now. Compacting drawer. Off you go. Smash in. What you doing? Why are you stuck? Are you seriously just going to wait for the rest of them to finish? Okay, that one's finished. There you go. Stop moaning now. How's this one doing? Ooh, it's got 11, 12. Oh, wow. Okay. It's quite a lot of these things to process. Right, anyway, I'll wait for these to process and then we'll be back in a sec. Right, there we go. And now I can just stick these on top like this. And I think I'm going to run the cable down the side here. Because why not? There we go. So that should be now importing. Just want it to, oof, over 64, brilliant. Only issue is this has got like different types that comes in here. I'm quite happy for it to do the dense ones if I'm honest, but oh well. Anyway, these ones I need to set all of these to off and then import on the bottom, output out the top. Oh, blimey, that's loud. That one again. I think I don't need to put a... yeah, there we go. Perfect. This one again. Same thing. And then I think the same on this side. This one doesn't need an eject though. Whoa. Definitely do some muffler upgrades over here. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16. And then we could do with half a stack of this. Half a stack of this. And then that'll get all of those as well. Those are coming in quite nicely. Oh, these are much better. And last ones go in there. There we go. Oh, almost silent. Love it. Oh, it is silent. Brilliant. Are you not pulling any... Oh, you are. You're just getting through them really quickly. Oh, I like that. And this is... I thought this would be slower than this, but obviously, whilst it was doing stuff, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, did I ever make a uranium drawer? Oh, I did. And there we go, it's going up, I think. 26. They're not very quick right now, those smelters, but anyway. So we got those two now. What is the plan for the rest of the episode? So we've got Urinary Extractor. I wanted to get into Powah. So I wanted to make the dielectric paste if I can. That's the right pain in the bum one. So we can do the lava. Blaze rods is a right pain. I'm not entirely sure how we're going to do it. See, I don't think Apotheosis is in this pack, so it's not like I could just go grab a spawner, unless there is some sort of way. There's cardboard boxes, but we can't get to the nether yet, so it's kind of a bit of a no-no. Because I was expecting in the nether we could just go get a blaze spawner. Cardboard box. How do we get to the nether? Where's the book for this? Come here. Book. So, what does it say here? Nether controller. This structure requires obsidian, quantum entangler porters, structural glass, nether controller. Once fully built, you will be able to create the nether teleporter, which can be used to travel to the nether. I don't know if we can get there yet. We probably can. Entangler porter. We can make this. We can easily make this. I mean, not easily. Oh, maybe not. We haven't made any of these yet. Okay, right, that's a bit out of the question right now. In that case, what was it? We can make blaze rods. It's just very expensive unless we amp up our production on the scrap over here. I wanted to check how this was doing actually, because okay, that one's got a lot of cobble in it. Okay, the ones at the front are struggling. That is okay, because what we can do is chuck an augment in this. In fact, we just got an augment, didn't we? Component, we've got one of these. Oh, I wonder if we've got any of the... Oh, we don't. Okay, well, I can put another one in there. Oh, but it doesn't require redstone flux, so I'm not sure we can put much in there. Ooh, hello. That's a lot quicker. We should probably get a stack upgrade and put that in there. Stack. You guys are going to go off and do that. So yeah, once we get a bit more cobble, it should speed up enough, because this one down here I think has got a speed and a stack upgrade. Oh, it's missing a speed upgrade. Okay, well, should be fine. Should be fine anyway. We are like literally running out of cobble though. If you look over here, 0. Okay, right. I have already programmed in blaze rods. Am I correct? I have. So we could technically set up this recipe. Coal we're getting loads of. Zed brick we can make. Uranite we now have. The infused crystalline we already have. The zinc we're already getting from our miner thingy over here. What do you call it? This thing. Could probably speed that up, but that's fine. So all I really need to do is set up the recipe for this. Yeah, looks good to me. And then which one do we want to put it in? I think this one's got less in it, so we'll put it in there. So let's make some paste. Because it is only one blaze rod per 5 of these. Oh, it's still making this. Okay, when this is finished. This has started, to be fair. Oh, we could probably use the... Is it a crusher that makes all of these bits, do you reckon? So, sapphire. It is. Okay, we're going to need to make a crusher for those if we wanted to do that. But we can make a crushing factory eventually. That would be pretty awesome. And then this one you are waiting to make these crystallines, which is also in this one over here. Ooh, it's going to make us some. Okay, so that was the crystalline, and now it's making us some paste. Oh, here it comes. And that isn't the quest, because I probably haven't done the quest for that yet, which is fine. Powah. I didn't grab any uranite out of here, but I can do that. Well, I can grab it out of here when it comes in. There you go. And then, what was the next quest after that? It was, oh, yeah, I can just do one of those. Oh, hello. Let's get rid of that. And now it wants us to make a casing and then all of this stuff. And then, why does it want us to make the starter reactor? If we're going to do that, we might as well go full ham and get right into it. Oof. It's always awkward, the amount of stuff that they want us to make, but it's fine. We'll have to... One of the crafting ingredients ended up needing itself. Because it needs... Yeah. Okay, in that case, can we not elite? No, what's it called then? This stuff. I don't know what I did, but okay, now it works. So I don't know why it was saying that. How many of these have we got now? Oh, we got tons. So we got 4 here. So I'm just going to do them manually because... Oh, hello. Oh man, I suck at that. Do this, and then stick this in the middle. Done. And we can make a bunch of these out of these. So, yeah, easy enough. Okay, now if we make the paste. There you go, it's gone off and it's making just a bunch of paste. Right, I'm going to wait for this to process, and then we'll be back in a bit. Alright, there we go. We did get everything. I also upgraded these two. And, yeah, now they've got a bunch more slots, and they're a bit quicker. I think that actually may have... Ooh. That's a point, actually. Now I can stick a flux point on this thing and not have to worry. Yes, I am going to do that right here. And turn off, yeah, disable limit. There we go. That just gives us the ability to use these elsewhere. It's always good. Although now we've got flux, we probably don't need to, but whatever. Seared. I just stick these back down so we don't have to look down there anymore. Perfect. I didn't mean it to look like this, but anyway, maybe I'll move. I'll put a few more down eventually. Anyway, so now we can make, because I did set up the dielectric casing patterns, everything needed for that. So that is the quest, to make a dielectric casing. So let's do one of those. You still can't have all of the power, is that correct? Are these things genuinely not making that much power? Did I put... No, I didn't put them in these. Maybe I... Oh, I could take them out of here for now. Just enough so we can at least get like another... And there we go. It's giving us a bit more power. Strange. Anyway, I'll leave those in there actually, because why not? Should probably make a bunch for the rest of them, but for now, as long as that's making us enough power, it's all good to me. We want to make a casing. Ah, yeah, I need to make iron bars as well. Bars. What the heck is that? Oh, quark adds gold bars as well. Yeah, I forgot about that. Stick those in there. No. Casing. And there it is. And that is a quest. So we've also got the energized orb, and then it wants us to make one of these starter jobbies that we've got right here. Okay, yeah, let's get you to go off and make that. Thank you very much. And then this is the starter one. So we get you to go off and make one of those. I should probably teach this and then this as well. Oh, I always end up like making a lot of these recipes from Powah. I'm sure everybody does when they're doing the Powah mod. They just chuck it all in there. Well, if they're using refined storage, I suppose, but now we can make one of these. And I always upgrade it as soon as possible, because, I mean, why not, eh? Might as well. Nope, that's not it. Grab ourselves a block of quartz. And there we go. I don't think that's a quest, but that's absolutely fine. Why do you want us to make these starter ones? I mean, we can, and you know what, we probably will. It doesn't make that much power though, if I'm thinking about it correctly. We could go into our test world, but we're not going to. Right, so that gets us this. This is now charging up, by the way. I am going to stick this over here. And I've got a pretty neat way of like automating this with refined storage. So I'll show you that in the next episode. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thanks for joining. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.